Barely a night passes now when Russians somewhere aren't shaken by powerful drone attacks. This recent barrage hitting an airport in the city of Bskuov, some 400 miles from the Ukrainian border. Russian air defences spread thinly, unleashes firepower, but faced with a major upsurge in drone attacks, there are just too many targets to defend. Russian officials say at least 4 military cargo planes used to transport troops and equipment to the war zone were damaged. Footage of the burning aircraft suggests destroyed, a significant blow to Russian logistics. On Russian state TV, controlled by the Kremlin, the drone strikes are barely mentioned. Instead, the focus is on Russia hitting Ukraine and targets being struck across the front lines by Russian forces. But the Kremlin can't hide what's happening. Russian civilians like these in the Bryansk region are sharing videos online. This family were congratulating their daughter on her birthday as the drone strikes thud close by. Stop the music, she tells her mom. That's the 4th explosion, she says. On security footage in Bryansk near the Ukraine border, you can hear one of the drones before it hits. Russian officials vowed a punishing response. But Moscow's revenge attacks are no match for carefully planned strikes on targets picked to cause maximum disruption. And to force Russians to see their Ukraine war coming home.